Hi guys, and welcome to the No Gluten Zone. This is another installment in my recipe series. I've had a lot of requests for recipes and I love to cook and bake, so I am happy to oblige. But this is the No Gluten Zone. I create content for people with food issues, whether that's allergies, intolerances, sensitivities, or autoimmune issues. There are a lot of similarities in all of that, and I try to include content for that here. So I am going to make shrimp Alfredo fettuccine, but one hiccup: when I went to the store, they did not have gluten-free fettuccine, so I got spaghetti. But you could use any pasta that you like. 12 ounces of pasta. It could be fusilli, penne, like whatever pasta you like. You can just get 12 ounces of that pasta and use it in this recipe. This is a very simple recipe. There are 3 parts. We're going to cook the pasta and set it aside. Then we're going to cook the shrimp and set it aside. Then we're going to make the sauce and combine it all together. So let's get started on the pasta. So I am bringing water to boil here for the pasta. Just hang tight. While I'm bringing the water for the pasta to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and start cooking the shrimp to save time. So we're going to put some oil. I like avocado oil, but whatever oil you like. I'm going to put 3 cloves of garlic minced. We're going to saute this garlic for about 1 minute. I'm going to add the shrimp, a teaspoon of garlic powder, some fresh cracked pepper, and a little salt, and cook that for about 3 minutes. We're going to boil our pasta for about 16 minutes. And our shrimp is done. I'm going to set it aside. This is 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're going to bring it to a simmer. A little bit of dried parsley there I'm going to add. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. It's starting to come to a simmer. I'm going to add a cup of parmesan cheese. And we just stir until it all comes together. So I'm going to toss the spaghetti in the sauce. And then we're going to add the shrimp. And there you have it.